Hello guys, learn smart pattern matching on Java Python Interview Hub. So today's question is, what is the like operator in SQL? So like is used to search for a specified pattern in a column. For example, select star from users where name like A, like capital A and percentage. So it will get the data whose name is starting from the A, percentage means a wildcard character, right? And that could be length, could be anything. So name should start with a character A. So here percentage is equal to any sequence of character, is equal to any single character. You can put also underscore to give the first character, second character, and case sensitivity depends on the DB engine. So like it and use it. Guys, please subscribe, like and comment below to grow my channel. Thank you very much guys.